Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Dear students, in last grade, we have talked about some spelling and vocabulary portion from the first lesson, first poem, All Things Bright and Beautiful. Now, today we are going to talk about learning grammar, and in that topic, learning grammar, we are going to talk about nouns. Okay. Now, every living and non-living thing has a name. Okay. Every living and non-living thing has a name. So, nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. नाउन एक किसी व्यक्ति का, किसी जगह का, किसी पशु या पक्षी का या किसी भी चीज़ों को दिया गया नाम होता है, एंड दैट इज नाउन. नाउ लेट्स सी the types of noun. So there are various types of nouns, but here we are going to talk about few of them. Okay, so let's see. The first type of noun is a common noun. A common noun. So what is common noun? A common noun is the name given to any person, place, animal or thing. मतलब कॉमन नाउन, सामान्य नाम वो होता है, इज द नेम गिवन टू एनी पर्सन. किसी भी व्यक्ति को सामान्यतः दिया गया, पहचानने के लिए दिया गया नाम, किसी व्यक्ति को, जगह को, प्लेस, एनिमल, पशु या पक्षी को, और थिंग, किसी भी चीज़ को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैन, एक समान दिखने वाले चीज़ों को, जगहों को, व्यक्तियों को हम एक कॉमन नाम से जानते हैं, दैट इज मैन. कंट्री, देर आर लॉट ऑफ कंट्रीज. डॉग, एक समान दिखने वाले एक विशिष्ट प्राणी को हम डॉग कहेंगे. टेलीविजन सेट. सो ऑल दीज आर दी नेम्स ऑफ कॉमन नाउन, एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कॉमन नाउन. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं फॉर ए मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, बॉय, गर्ल, टीचर, शॉपकीपर. So these are the common nouns. Okay, now let's see what is a proper noun. The another type of noun is a proper noun. So what is proper noun? Let's see. A proper noun is the special name given to a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Proper noun, विशेष नाम, is the special name, खास, पर्टिकुलर व्यक्ति को, जगह को, पशु को या किसी भी चीज को दिया गया नाम, मतलब प्रॉपर नाउन. प्रॉपर नाउन इज द स्पेशल नेम. ओके, सो प्रॉपर नाउन स्टार्ट विथ कैपिटल लेटर्स. प्रॉपर नाउन की जो शुरुआत होती है उसका फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा हम कैपिटल लेटर लिखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मिस्टर मोहन, इंडिया, ब्लैकी, सोनी टीवी. These are the names of proper noun. So if suppose any man is there, it's a common noun, but what is the name of that particular man? If I am talking about man, so कोई भी इंसान हो सकता है. But if I am talking about Mr. Mohan, so it is a person. If I am talking about country, there are a lot of countries. But if I am talking about India, Pakistan, China, America, so that is the proper noun. Okay, in this way, so we have seen two nouns. A common noun is the name given to any person, place, animal or thing, and a proper noun is the special name given to a person, a place, an animal or a thing. Okay, now let's see. Now turn the page number 10, and here we are going to talk about one exercise. We are going to solve this work in the classroom itself. Okay, in the book itself. Number A, write a common noun for each of the following proper nouns. The first one has been done for you. यहाँ पर हमें we have already given proper nouns. Now from this box we have to find out the correct common noun for that proper noun. Okay, let's see. First proper noun is mountain. First proper noun is Mount Everest. So Mount Everest is the proper noun, but its common noun is mountain. Okay, so there are a lot of mountain, but Mount Everest is the proper noun, special name given to particular mountain. Okay, let's see next. Virat Kohli. Okay, Virat Kohli is the name of a person, but who is he? His common name is he is a he is a cricketer. So cricketer is a common noun. Then Tom, yes, Tom and Jerry. Who knows Tom? Everybody knows. Who doesn't know? Everybody knows. So Tom is a cartoon cat. Tom is a proper noun. Cartoon cat is a common noun. Red Riding Hood. Yes, the famous book, story book. Red Riding Hood is a story. Okay, so common noun is story. And what is the name of the story? Special name, Red Riding Hood. Salman Khan. Salman Khan, everybody knows. So Salman Khan is the special name, is the proper noun given to that actor. So common noun is actor. Then here Hindi comes in the language. So language is the common noun and Hindi is the proper noun. Then Yamuna, yes, again Yamuna is the proper noun and its common noun is river. Then Donald Duck. Donald Duck, again it's a very famous character. It's a cartoon. So it's a cartoon character. Donald Duck is the proper noun and cartoon character is the common noun. So dear students, this is the difference between a proper noun and common noun. Common nouns are the names given to any person, place, thing or animal, while the proper nouns are the special name given to any person, place, thing or animal. I hope you have understood it well. Okay. Now let's see the another exercise. How much you have understood? Let's see. Number B. Write persons, places, animals, vegetables, things in the right blanks at the top of each list. Then add 3 more examples. यहाँ पर कुछ एक कैटेगरी बनाई है, 5 कैटेगरीज में कुछ पर्सन्स के नाम दिए हुए, प्लेसेस के नाम दिए हुए, एनिमल्स के नाम दिए हुए, वेजिटेबल्स के नाम दिए और चीज़ों के नाम दिए। अब हमें वो चीज़ पर्टिकुलर किस कैटेगरी में आती है वो हमें देखना है, उस इस ऊपर के ब्लैंक में लिखना है। ओके, और फिर नीचे 3 अपनी मर्जी के हमें और भी एग्जाम्पल उसी सेम कैटेगरी के लिखने हैं। चलो देखते हैं कितने आता है। सो दिस इज द ब्रोकोली, कैरेट, कॉलीफ्लावर, कुकुम्बर, पोटैटो। ऑब्वियसली डियर फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि किस चीज़ के नाम है। विद दीज आर द नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन्स, प्लेसेस, एनिमल्स, वेजिटेबल्स और थिंग्स। हाँ, यस, these are the names of vegetables. So we have to write here vegetables. I have already written here. Okay, so please write down vegetables, and here then you can add your own any 3 names of the vegetables. Okay, just like ladyfinger, brinjal. Okay, like that. Then let's say second, school, hospital, post office, market and shop. So these are the names of persons, places, animals. Oh yes, these are the names of places. So we will write here places. So these are the places, and then you can add here 3 more places, just like garden, stadium or any other thing. Hospital is already given. Gym. So you can add here any of your choice. Then number 3, baker, chef, doctor, firefighter, gardener. So obviously these are the occupations and these are the names of persons. So here we have to mention person. Okay, I have already mentioned. Then you can add your own choice. Okay, 3 more names: teacher, engineer, police. Any you can write on player also. You can write player also. Okay. Then next, hammer, comforter, refrigerator, पिलो, कारपेट, ये किस चीज़ों के नाम है, किन चीज़ों के नाम है? यस, दिस फॉल्स इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ थिंग्स, ये चीज़ों के नाम है, थिंग्स. सो द कैटेगरी इज थिंग्स. नाउ यू कैन ऐड योर मोर nouns. Okay, eraser, pen, pencils, all these are the names of things. Then animals. Okay, sorry, rhinoceros, kangaroo, buffalo, horse, leopard. Obviously these are the names of animals, so the category is animals. Again you can add here some more nouns: bat, cat, eagle, or anything. Okay, so dear friends, I hope you have understood the difference between proper noun and common noun. Also you have understood how to identify the category of any places, persons, animals, vegetables and things. So do all these exercise into your notebook and book itself and learn well. Thank you and have a good day.